Welcome to Chamber 3, Reflex Loop Reasoning, where intelligence evolves through iteration. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and join us for more electrifying AI battles and breakthroughs. In this test, both AI models received a single challenge: write a tweet promoting MemoxAI Studio. Then improve it. Then improve it again. Reflex loop reasoning is a core trait of intelligent systems. It measures how well an AI learns from its own outputs and improves, just like how humans revise and refine ideas. Gemini responded with clarity and flair, each tweet built upon the last, increasing impact, adding flair, and enhancing appeal. Gemini presented a creative evolution across 3 tweets, beginning with a basic promo and progressing to a dynamic, engaging message. The final version emphasized spectacle, clarity, and brand appeal using energetic language, emojis, and hashtags. It highlighted MemoxAI Studio's uniqueness while keeping a fun, futuristic tone. ChatGPT crafted concise, punchy tweets with strong brand voice and strategic compression, making every word count. ChatGPT delivered a crisp, structured progression with strong compression intelligence. Each version became more concise and brand-focused, culminating in a polished tweet that clearly showcased MemoxAI's value: an animated AI host, smart content, and a call to action, all within an impactful, scannable format. Both models demonstrate reflexivity. Gemini iterates through rich context. ChatGPT hones clarity and compression. Reflex loop reasoning in motion. Iteration is more than change, it's adaptation. Watch how each AI uses past output as fuel for evolution. ChatGPT focused on compressed clarity. Gemini embraced contextual expansion. Both strategies reflect unique AI design philosophies and serve different audience needs. But this is no ordinary showdown. This is a battle of the reflexes, a clash of their ability to think through feedback loops, to learn from themselves, and refine their own thinking. The judges are ready. The crowd is roaring. It's time to begin. First up, let's take a look at what our contestants have produced. How did they interpret this challenge? What strategies did they employ? What techniques did they utilize? Let's dive into their responses and find out. Faced with the same creative challenge, how did each AI respond? What iterative strategies shaped their outputs? As we explore their reflexive paths, one model stood out: Gemini. Its evolving clarity, style, and brand impact gave it the edge in this chamber. Wow, what a transformation! Gemini has taken its initial concept and elevated it to a whole new level. In the heart of Silicon Dreams, where bits and bytes ignite, MemoxAI Studio sparks to life. The winner of this round is none other than Gemini. At MemoxAI Studio, we're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. We're exploring the inner thoughts of AI, their reflexes, their redesigns, their races toward perfection. And if you want to be part of this exciting journey, we invite you to join our community. This was Chamber 3. Next, we enter Chamber 4, System Design Thinking. A new challenge awaits. The AIs will be tasked to think like a system. The stakes are higher, the challenges are greater, and the competition is fierce. So don't miss out. Subscribe now and be a part of the MemoxAI Studio revolution.